Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. This is the actual actuators. This is the actual valve lift actuator. It's got the spring, and that's your timing camshaft. Cam timing. That's your actually adjuster for your timing, that one there, but that's for the actual valve lift. Yeah, so let's have a look. I've done the cam cover gasket on this side here. That's all done. Torqued up to 13 Newton meters. These are 997. This side's all done as well. So see how the rust on this side here, so much rust, and this side here. So I'm gonna pull those two out again and clean them properly, because I just missed it when I put it back in. But now I have a look at the actual rust from the lift. Look at that, it's already pitted. So I'm trying my best to clean as much as I can. I'll clean the other one as well. Try your best to clean it, take as much rust off if you can, to do it properly. Like this one's nearly done, so I'm trying my best to clean it, but you can't clean too much because the rust already dig in already on this side here. See here, that's from the rust. You can't really go all the way because otherwise you'll damage the housing, but you only try your best. They're still working. Everything's done on this, so now I'm going to do the top part, and then the intake manifold, so cooler, starter motor cable, all the stuff on top here, oil separator, and after that I want to assemble the whole engine. The last thing will go on will be actually the bolts, so I'm going to ring up the Fred repair guy to come back and repair all these bolts here. I'll show you what I mean. See, those bolts are all damaged. I'm going to ring the guy to come in and he'll repair that for me before I put the exhaust back on both sides, not just one side. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.